Oh, so you're making brownies today.
Yeah, I made brownies. I made pumpkin bread yesterday, and everybody liked it so much I decided to make some more. So, to make the pumpkin bread, we're going to put in eggs and water, oil.
How much of each of these?
Well, the eggs are 4 eggs. Oil is a cup of oil. And the water is 2/3 cup. And then we'll start it up. And we'll put some sugar in.
That seems like a lot of sugar.
It is. It is 3 cups of sugar, and then 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. A can of pumpkin puree. Add all your spices, and so I've got 1.5 teaspoons of salt, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger. And as you can tell, those are very similar ingredients to pumpkin pie. Then you just put it in your greased pans. It's just like banana bread. It's nice and spicy tasting. Great for the holidays if you want to make it for Thanksgiving. Delicious. Put your 2 pans in.
At what temperature and for how long?
350 for an hour and 5 minutes, or test it with a toothpick or a knife and make sure that it's cooked. And by the way, I did put the baking soda in.